With a mix of old world charm and new world excitement, Vienna has something for everyone. Start your trip with a stroll along the magnificent Ring Boulevard. Enjoy the city's greatest composers at the Vienna State Opera. Hit museums courtier for some serious art appreciation. View the Gothic masterpiece that is St. Stephen's Cathedral. Get a bird's eye view of Vienna's beauty from a Ferris wheel. Be dazzled by the art and architecture of Belvedere Palace. Indulge in the flavourful local cuisine. Then burn it off with a cycle through the city. Be inspired by the opulence of Schönbrunn Palace. And finally, make sure you relax amongst the city's gorgeous green spaces. Enjoy your trip to Vienna with Flight Centre.